let's jump into side view and maybe scale this on the Y a little bit, like that. Grab that down, scale it a little bit more, bring this over, and then scale it on the X, bring it out. We're building out, this is essentially the traps. Extrude one more, and bring that out. There, and then jump into side view, and realize we can scale this on the Y. A little more, let's relax this. Maybe just grab this in, like so. Just a sketch. Okay, so let's select this edge loop. Okay. And then we're going to extrude on the Z. And we're going to build out the chest. Okay, let's toggle X-ray mode on. Okay, let's scale that in just a little bit. Let's add a couple of loop cuts with Control R. We're going to add 2, and then we'll make this the bottom of the pec. And bring this out a little bit. Right there, and then we'll select that edge loop with Alt-click to select all of it, and we'll bring this one in and down, and then we'll Alt-click this, and bring that one out. Bring that one out, okay. Then we can jump into side view and scale it on the Y. And then this one, same one, we can Alt-click that, scale that on the Y. Bring that out. What we're realizing, what you might be realizing is that I'm a bit of a tank. Let's scale that out on the Y as well. Grab it on the Y. Okay, so now let's go in the back. Let's bring these over. We can pull them back a little bit as well. Okay, let's create the arm. But before we do, in side view, let's add another loop cut here. With face select selected, let's select these 4 faces and delete faces. Okay. There we go. Now let's prepare this to build out our arm. Oh, we can grab it like that. Here, let's turn this on. Let's see it in side view. Right? And then let's bring these over to meet the opening of the arm. And maybe scale that on this end, scale that. And then let's perhaps bring this one. Right? That's all we need to do. Really just trust the reference to do the work for you. And then let's see what this one looks like down there. That's good too. Okay. Got some beast arms about to happen. Everybody saves their work. Now, we don't want to extrude a hole, we want to fill this in. Okay, so to do that, let's alt-click to select the entire edge loop, and let's grid fill. You can do that by selecting face and hitting grid fill. Okay, so down here in the grid fill, just set span to 2 and set offset to 1. And you can see now we have some nice geometry, pretty geometry, and we can extrude that and grab it out. Okay, let's add a little more geometry in the arm. We'll add a loop cut here to get some separation from the armpit, and then we'll add another loop cut here. Bring that. Okay, now let's select these 4 faces, extrude, bring that in on the y-axis a little bit, go here, and come here, and maybe scale this on the x, bring that in, and then we want to delete these faces, so we'll delete faces, alt select, loop tools, circle. There we go. Go control plus, vertex mode, right click, smooth vertices. There we go. Okay, so we smooth the vertices. You know what? Let's come in here and add some more geometry and scale that. Okay, with that arm filled in, let's create the midsection. So we'll hit Alt, click to select this edge loop, and we'll extrude down on the Z, and rotate this on the Y to create the oblique. We'll Alt, click again to get this edge loop, rotate R. That oblique, we can grab this, alt click, and grab it on the Z. Okay, let's create the pelvic bowl. We'll hit alt click to get that edge loop, extrude down again. That together right at the base of the hip, and then what I want is I want to bring this vertex and shift click that vertex. I want to bring these guys in. Let's go into side view, and we'll bring this, we'll grab this on the Y to bring it out like that, and we'll grab this. This looks fine back here. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to connect these. Okay, we're going to click that and that, and we're going to hit F to connect those two. Okay, so then we're going to hit Control R. We'll give it some geometry. Lock that in, and then we'll just grab this and bring it down on the Z. Okay. About there, and then you see the tailbone kind of bows out in the back like that. So we'll grab this and bring that out on the Y like that. There we go. Bring that up and rotate it. Okay, and that's how we build out what is that, the bottom of the pelvic bowl, the pelvic girdle, if this is the shoulder girdle. Okay, and now here, we can build our leg. Okay. Now, what we might want to do, I say might, how about what we definitely want to do, is select these vertices and smooth them. Okay. Once we have, now we get kind of the bathing suit covered. Let's save our work with controls. Okay. We can call that a top half. We can call that a torso. So, you know what? I'm going to get some, I want to make some ginger tea. And then I'm going to jump back into this. So get up, get a stretch, get a bend. And in the next one, we'll do arms and legs and buttocks and feet. Okay, so click on this video right here and jump into the next one. And we'll see you there. Okay, goodbye.